If you go file that paperwork, if you go in front of that judge, if you're willing to stand no business and fight for your kids, you can get your kids. It can be done. And then with me just learning from Greg and being able to understand how to properly put something in the appeal form, it's like they can't even mess with me on that until that is situated. So until my appeal is over, it's like they can't really come for me for child support. They can't really mess with my license because I've understood that it's some things that y'all didn't do right. I wasn't served. We didn't have a court date. There's no parenting plan. There's a lot of things that they don't do, but we just go with the flow of it versus really studying your case and see what's there and what's not there. So yeah, that's my take on it, man. Just reading the information and having enough courage or enough standing on my 10 feet, like I'm gonna fight for my kids, and I'm gonna fight for myself because I don't want their mothers to dictate when I can go pick them up, when I can see them, when I can be a part of it. Like that was just crazy to me. And as men, as black men, or as men in general, I feel like that's enough to want to stand on business, stand for something that you created. I created my children. I'm not finna let someone else dictate everything, where they go to school, when they're allowed to come over. It's like we have a lot of rights. And man, I read that order today and almost bring tears to my eyes. I got just as much say so as the mom. 182 and a half days. Where she goes to school, we got to agree on that. Where she goes to the doctor, we got to agree on that. Ain't no leaving the state without clarification from both parents. It's just, man, it's a whole nother feeling when you
Man,